Today I am gonna clean up the restroom, the bathroom, I mean. It's a mess right now. I just did the closet, but I think I'm gonna be separating these two videos because the closet took a long time. So if you're interested in seeing how I organized everything and how my shoes and everything are organized, is that what I just said? You can check out that video. It's gonna be in the little info button at the top corner. But now I'm gonna move on to this. I actually went to Taco Bell to go get something to eat really quickly. It's like close by, so I went there just to get something quick, and then I need to move on. I want to move on and finish up both bathrooms. I think I'm gonna do both because why not? It's not like I have that much to do in each, so I feel like it's good. Right now I have all of my brushes out because I washed them all the other night and I just have them laid out so they can completely dry. I have my towel right here. I bought some hooks so that I could put my towel somewhere. I do have this towel rack over there, which I have my hand towel now, but it doesn't work to be like right. I feel like that's more to like put some towels that I can like clean towels, and then where do I put my used towels? I'm not gonna go back and forth each time, and it's not even enough space for like both our towels, you know, mine and my husband's. So here I have some boxes. I need to empty out some boxes. I have some dirty clothes there because I don't have a hamper. I mean, I have it. I'm gonna put it out today, but I had to order it. So here I have some clean towels. And like I said, I bought the hand towel hooks. They're actually the little round things to put one on each side, and then I bought some hooks so that I can hang our towels right here on this wall. And I don't think I'm gonna be keeping this little table there. I bought it at Home Goods recently, and I don't think I'm gonna keep it there because I'm planning on maybe putting a mirror here, like a skinny mirror, because I feel like we need one. The hooks for the towel on this side so it could be easy like put back and forth. And so yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said, if you want to see more organizing, more decorating, the apartment is still pretty empty, so there will be future videos of decorating, but for now I'm cleaning and unpacking. So that is kind of like the series we're on right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I gotta keep it moving today. I'm gonna be cleaning all day. Over here, I have some shower stuff that I am gonna put on another little shower organizer because there's not a lot of space there, and then I don't really want to have them on the side. This restroom is completely done, clean, mopped, vacuumed. I put the little mats on there too, so I'll go ahead and just show you quickly. So here is the holder that I put. It's holding on really good. The towel one isn't. I'll show it to you in a little bit, but that one fell off because I put a towel on it too soon. And so I'm just gonna have to wait on putting a towel there until like tomorrow or something. So these are the little toothbrush holders that I got. I got 2 of them. One is just simple, and honestly I didn't find a matching pair, but it was fine because that one my husband could put maybe his razor or something in it. I don't know. So anyways, they look like this. They're like this marble, like stone-ish material. I did put the lotion in here, you saw, but it was so hard to stick it in there that I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. I think maybe I'll just put like some hand soap, even though this is hand soap, and just like turn it around or something. But this is just like a little tray to put stuff on it. This one, like I said, is the hand soap, and I just took off the sticker so that way it's nice and clear. This is a little glass container. I just put Q-tips there. And then, like I said, this one has 2 little holes there. And then this one's the other one. So I did measure them, as you saw, kind of, okay? They're not perfect, I'm sure, but you get the idea. And then over here is the shower organizer, which I kind of like. It's fine because I really do have to have something on each side in order for it to balance out, or else it just seems kind of like it's gonna fall over. But I did put some of my body scrubs and washes up there, my face wash, my shaving cream, the 2 little loofahs and the brush, those 2, all of that. I just bought it, and then my husband's body wash over there. And then I did have to put my shampoo and conditioner over here on the floor because these have this pump and they're too tall. They don't fit in that little square or over here. So, and then I did put a little hook. I know it's kind of weird to have one in there, I think. I don't know. Let me know if you have one. But I just felt like I've been putting the towel here whenever I'm like getting ready to shower. So, you know, it's really up to you if you like that idea or not. But I decided to put one in there, and it's supposed to be waterproof too, so hopefully it sticks there and it stays. The little things do come with super glue. I didn't use them because a lot of the reviews said it's really not necessary, but if it ends up being necessary, then I'll use it, because this one did fall off, but that was really my fault because I tried to put the towels there just to kind of show you how it would look, but like I said, it fell. So now they're just like that, and I kind of measured those 2 in a way that they were separate so that the towels are not like touching each other when they're like drying. And this one was already there. So, and then you know what? I might end up putting super glue on those just in case. But anyways, this holder was already there. I just put extra towels. It's just a hamper. I got it from Amazon. I really like the color of it. I feel like it matched my decor. And then it has little wheels so that I can just easily take it over to the laundry room. And then, well, of course, my trash can, which I might change. But anyways, this is the complete first bathroom that I'm working on. I'm about to go and clean the other one and just like put a shower curtain because it does need one. I'll show you. Oh, here's Lexi. I vacuumed over here and everything, but you guys have seen this before. Now I have a mess because I emptied out other boxes. So anyways, this is the second bedroom. This is how I have it right now. These are all things that I'm about to use in the guest bedroom, and then these are things that I'm gonna use in the master bedroom because I ordered a bed and then it got canceled. So long story, but I put the wrong billing address and they canceled it. These are things that I bought already for the bed, and I know what color scheme I'm going for, so hopefully it all matches. And then yeah, those are just some extra things. These are things that are gonna be in this room. These are the 2 stools that go in the kitchen. And then I don't know why I'm showing you all this, but I am. These are gonna go on this wall. They match the mirror I have over there. It's like a champagne gold. And then, like I said, these are things that are gonna be used for this bathroom, which I've already used with Lexi because this is where I bathed her the other day. And I already cleaned the shower and everything, or the bathtub. So yeah, this one also has a linen closet, and I have Lexi's towels right there. And that's pretty much, the bathroom looks almost exactly like the other one, except it doesn't have double vanity. But, and it, of course, it has a tub instead of the shower like we have over there. And yeah, that's it. There's nothing behind here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I do have the shower curtain, and I have some, I think I have some organizers. Maybe I don't. But either way, I'm gonna go ahead and just do this. I do have a mat. Okay guys, so I'm done with this restroom too. I still need a lot of things for this. I need a little trash can. I need like a little toothbrush holder, but other than that, like it's completely done. And of course, maybe some decor or something. But over here, I put some towels, put a little toilet paper. There's nothing back here, but I did put the little hook up there so that way, you know, I could put a towel, or someone, you know, if they're taking a shower, they can put a towel there. What else? I did put this little mat. I need another one for that side, but for now we have this one. And then the curtains, they have the little marble on them, so it really matches the floor. And I just went ahead and got this white and then the plastic one inside. I also put that little thing there because I will be bathing Lexi in here. And then over here, I just put, oh, you know what I also need? I think I'm gonna get one of those little things for the hand towel. But over here, I just put some extra toilet paper. And I put Lexi's towels there and her shampoo and stuff. But I think I'm gonna put it in like a little basket, so that way if someone were here, they don't accidentally grab those towels. These towels, I use them for my makeup brushes, and I'm gonna keep them here because whenever I clean my brushes, I'm gonna start doing it in this restroom now and just like lay them out over here. And then, well, that's it. It's pretty much empty. That's everything, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching me clean and organize and stuff. Like I said, I know this bathroom was not a lot, but at least I got it out of the way. I really wanted to get both of the restrooms out of the way. The laundry is also completely done. Oh, I forgot about those towels. Those are my work towels. I washed them and everything, so I need to take those back to work. I still have a mess over here, but I'm gonna organize this come Wednesday. I'm probably gonna move that stuff to the other room because I'm getting a desk. So I'm so excited. I'm getting a desk. That's gonna be the chair for my desk. And of course, we'll show you that. Hopefully you wanna see that because it's gonna be in my filming room. In this closet, I still have quite a mess, but it's things that I need to put up, you know, like I'm gonna put Lexi's bed out. Things that I need to put out, I mean. That's for like my husband's chair or whatever, if he wants to use it for driving or just a chair. It's a little seat thing. My camera with my new lens. I got a new lens. I'm excited to use it. I already ordered my lights and like I said, my desk. Over here I have some, what is it, like tech stuff, I guess. And then up here my camera bag and some other cameras, my vlogging camera. Makeup that I'm gonna put out on my desk once I get it. And then yeah, just some extra stuff, my ring light over there. Anyways, you guys, like I said, thank you so much for watching and for joining me today in cleaning my restrooms. I know it was a lot. If you want to see my closet, that will be on my channel as well as my kitchen because I already cleaned that part. So anyways, like I said, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.